Loudness is another important character of sound that tells us how loud or soft a sound appears. The loudness character of sound is only depend on the amplitude. The relation between loudness and sound mentioned as loudness directly proportional to the square of amplitude. If the amplitude become twice, the loudness increases for time of amplitude. Thus, we can increase the loudness of the sound by increasing amplitude. The loudness is measured in decibels. When the amplitude of sound is large, the sound produced is loud. When the amplitude is small, then the sound produced is feeble or soft sound. Just look at the diagram mentioned high amplitude sound and low amplitude sound. We call low amplitude sound as quiet sound, which is very soft. The height of the wave indicates amplitude. Here the height is very small, so this wave has quiet sound and this wave has loud sound. In many functions and marriages and other festival occasions, we use speakers and DJ loudspeakers. The loudness of sound increasing by amplifiers, a device which intensifies the loudness of sound. But there must follow limitations of loudness. We can hear some extent of loudness mentioned in dBs. Just observe the chart. The chart showing various sound has various loudness by mentioning the intensity of sound or intensity of loudness in decibels from 0 to 140 decibels of sounds mentioned in the chart. The color of these sounds mentioned up to 50 decibels are blue, which are not damage our health. And here paint means we feel difficulty to hear these decibel sounds up to 50. 60 decibel sound, generally the example conversation of our regular sounds. We can hear this conversation without any pain. Above 60 decibels, we feel difficulty and may cause serious effects on both human and environment effect. The prolonged exposure to these higher decibel sounds may cause serious health effects, also environmental from 80 to 140 decibels. 80 decibels is very loud. Honking of vehicles, trucks, and lorries blow big loud horns, and we use the hair dryer, and the sound of helicopter has 100 decibels, and sound of trombone 110 decibels, siren has 120 decibels, jet engine releases the sound 130 decibels, and fireworks 140 decibels. These sounds very danger to our human health and cause many serious effects. So it is safe for 0 to 6 decibels for human. The sound of 140 decibels may cause permanent hearing loss or eardrum rupture. 120 decibels of sound may cause painful and immediate harm. So we maintain the sounds to not affect the environment and our health factors. So we take some safety measures. In later, I discuss the limitations of sound and bad exposures of sound in detail.